again if I was your girlfriend. Ooh, babe, you'd be done for. Yeah, you think you'll.
Hello, people, welcome back to AI Business Brains. What if I told you that you could turn any idea into complex music video without filming, editing, or even touching complex softwares? Today, we are looking into Freebeat's AI agent music to video generator. It's not just another tool, it's an intelligent creative agent that understands your vision, generates visuals, and syncs them with music, and builds an entire music video for you automatically. Whether you're a content creator, musician, or just experiment with AI, this changes everything. We have a lot of options under creative agents. We'll be focusing on music video agents specifically. These are the different applications. These are video tools that they have. You have a lot of options to choose from. You also have image tools as well. You have different video models. Let's see. You have King 2.1, VO, one way. We'll be focusing on this specifically today, which is the music video agent. You can add music, you can upload music, and you can also choose from YouTube and other platforms. I'll be choosing this song. I'll be going for a preset for 15 seconds. Let's confirm. I generated the prompt using ChatGPT, and I'll be giving that prompt here. Let's choose a character. I'll be choosing a funky character, which is this pop star. I want to go for realism, photorealism. We'll be choosing storytelling, style, and let's create. Also have the option to refer and earn in this platform. They have a lot of packages that you can choose from. They have, let's see, a free plan, a basic plan, standard, and a pro plan. Their pro plan is most used, and right now I'm using their pro plan. Their pro plan is only for $24.99, and it has everything. You guys can go subscribe to the plan that suits you. Do subscribe to this channel and like this video.